The Cold War era brought about a technological arms race. The United States developed intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, and advanced reconnaissance satellites, which played a crucial role in national security. Today, we're in the age of modern warfare, where technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. Drones are now a staple in military operations, providing surveillance and precision strikes without putting soldiers in harm's way. Artificial intelligence and robotics are set to revolutionize the battlefield even further. From autonomous vehicles to AI-driven decision-making systems, the future of military technology is both exciting and complex. As we've seen, the evolution of U.S. military technology has been a journey of innovation and adaptation. What do you think the future holds for military technology? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content from iPi Tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.